Here in Florida, new COVID infections coming back down from a week of record highs. Florida Department of Health reporting more than 12,000 new infections today, 719 coming from our 6 counties. The state's daily positivity rate slowing down just a little bit. Take a look for yourself, 10.4%. State also reported 111 COVID-reported deaths in the state, 7 of those coming from Southwest Florida.
And as cases continue to rise, more people are actually getting vaccinated against the virus. So far, more than 519,000 Floridians have gotten their first dose of the vaccine, and another 38,000 are fully vaccinated now. That's just 0.17% of the entire population fully protected. Here in our corner of the state, though, second doses are getting rolled out slowly. The Department of Health reporting just 93 people have gotten both doses of the vaccine. Now, for perspective, more than 36,000 have gotten the first dose of the vaccine.
The vaccination rollout was rough in Lee County to start. Elderly people lining up overnight for only a chance to get that shot. Now Lee County manager is speaking out about the county's vaccination efforts. Roger Desjarlais sharing his thoughts in the Washington Post. NBC2's Gage Goulding breaks down what Desjarlais says went wrong.
The Lee County manager taking the blame for the stumbled vaccination efforts. Roger Desjarlais even apologizing that he wasn't prepared to handle the load. But he said the state and federal governments never told him the county was going to be in charge. In the Washington Post article, Desjarlais said he felt a little stupid. The reason he assumed the federal and state governments would handle the vaccinations. The county didn't prepare to do that. The feds eventually passing it off to the states, and Florida passed it on to the counties. He said, quote, "I had no idea this would be our responsibility. I'm sorry, but I just didn't."
My hat's off to him, because sometimes things get so mixed up, especially when you're thinking that you're going to get something and it will be handled.
Desjarlais told the Post, quote, "Within the first 4 minutes, people started to get a busy signal. 30 minutes in, we hit 1.5 million calls."
Unbelievable.
I believe it.
Pat and Nick Dimitroff were among the 240,000 65 and older in Lee County on the other end of the line.
It was poorly planned from the top down.
The federal, state, and local government, they're all to blame.
But rather than dwell on the past,
Let's just fix the problem.
both Jean and the Dimitroffs sympathize with Desjarlais.
Sure I do. I also feel for all of those of us who are sitting out here with a husband with COPD. If he gets it, I lose him.
You probably wanted to hear from Desjarlais himself. We asked him for the opportunity to sit down and talk, a spokesperson saying he didn't want to do an interview today. In downtown Fort Myers, Gage Goulding, NBC2.